heptagon. Okay. Now, in this case, what you have to do? Again, you have to place your compass at point number 7. You place your compass at point number 7. Okay, place your compass at point number 7. Okay, take the measurement 7 to A. You place your compass at point number 7. Take the measurement 7 to A. Okay, place your compass at point number 7. Take the measurement 7 to A or 7 to B. Okay, and placing your compass at point number 7, that means 7 is your center, 7 is your center, and radius 7 to A. Draw a circle. Draw this.
Means sir,
बोलो.
5 to 6 equals to 6 to 7.
हाँ 4 to 5 equal to 5 to 6 equal to 6 to 7. Clear? Now, next, this is point number 6. This is our point number 6. Okay. So in the point number 6, what I have told you people, place your compass at point number 7 as we are drawing the regular heptagon. That is why we have to place the compass at point number 7. Okay. So that means point number 7 is your center. Okay. And radius is 7 to A or 7 to B. Okay. And placing your compass at point number 7, draw a circle. Okay, and that circle will pass through a B line. That circle will pass through a B line. Okay, that circle will pass through a B line. Okay, now let me go for the escape mode so that we can easily see again this thing. So I believe that up to this is clear to you all. Okay, so we have got this circle itself, and this circle will pass through the line AB, and AB line length is nothing but our how much? It is 50 millimeter as per our question. Okay, now with the help of your compass, again take your compass. Okay, again take your compass, and with the help of your compass measure 50 millimeter. With the help of your compass measure 50 millimeter. Okay, that means the AB line itself, nothing else. Okay, place your compass at point number B. Place your compass at point number B and cut this circle. Okay, you will get point number C. Okay, again the same measurement. That means AB. That means 50 millimeter. Okay, place your compass at point number C. Okay, cut in the circle. You will get point number D. Okay, similarly, place your compass at point number D. Measurement is nothing but our 50 millimeter. That means AB or B to C or C to D. Okay, cut this circle at here. You will get point number E. In this manner, you will get point number F, point number G also. Okay, now join all these points: A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G, and G to A. You will get how many side? 1, of course, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so for this heptagon, we have considered point number 7. Okay, if it is octagon, at that time we have to get the point number 8. If it is in the question, if it is octagon, at that time what have to do? At that time we may have to get the point number 8. Okay, and we have to place our compass at point number 8, and we have to take the measurement 8 to 8, and placing the compass at point number 8, we have to draw the circle, and same method like heptagon. Okay, similarly, if you want to get hexagon, you have to place your compass at point number 6. If you want to get a pentagon, you have to place your compass at point number 5 in this manner. Okay, or if you want to get a square, at that time you have to place your compass at point number 4. Okay, that is why it is named as general method. Nothing but general method. Okay, so this is our you people have understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Joydeep sir.
Hello. Yes, yes, madam. Yeah,
Yes,
madam.
Tina madam here. Yeah, I just want to make an announcement just for, I'll take 1 minute.
Sure, madam.
Yeah. Yes, good afternoon, Joydeep sir, Gora sir, and all the members who are present here and students, active students. You're from section C, right?
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
this
Yes,
is this
ma'am.
is section
Yes,
C.
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So today from 4 to 5, that means after your this lab class, you'll be having a Kakuliman spectroscopy class, because in the routine she doesn't have a scheduled class with you, and because of which you are lagging behind. That is why she'll take a class from 4 to 5 today. Okay, Joydeep sir.
Yes, madam.
I am finding only 17, 18 students here. Where are the rest of the students?
Actually, madam, what happened? One section has is going through AutoCAD class, and one section here. Okay, AutoCAD class you will find our Rimjim madam has taken at least 15 to 20 number of students. Here,
Okay,
about
okay,
20
okay,
number of
okay.
students.
So, Tina madam, the
Okay.
class has been divided in two halves.
Okay, okay, okay,
One
okay,
is
okay.
here, which
So,
you are seeing.
so
Other
I
is
just had the
Rinjim madam.
link. So actually, I just had the link of this class. So I think if I contact Rimji ma'am, I will get those students, right?
Sure, madam. Sure.
Okay, okay. So students, after this class, you join your regular theory link of ABC for your 4 to 5 Kakuli ma'am spectroscopy class. Okay, okay. I'm talking to
Ma'am,
Rimji ma'am. Yeah.
ma'am, ma'am, our assignment is it at 7 o'clock? So classes will
What
be till
assignment?
5 and chemistry assignment.
Chemistry lab.
Assignment till 7 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
No, 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 no,
Yesterday
no,
the
no,
link
no.
was not working.
No, 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 no. It's a, it. See, you do this spectroscopy class. Which assignment you're talking about? Pratap sir assignment. Don't take time here. Whatever queries you have there, Kakuli ma'am will be there, and I'll also be there. So we'll talk then. Okay. Come on, you to continue with this class. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So this is, I believe, if you can see my screen. Here we have discussed this general method for drawing of heptagon. You may have to draw one pentagon, okay, or hexagon also, okay. Now the steps already written here. At the very beginning, I have not gone through the steps. Otherwise, it may not be possible for you people to understand this properly. Okay, here you can see you have to draw first AB line to 50 millimeter. Okay, then you have to draw 45 degree and 60 degree inclined lines from point A. Then step 3 is nothing but you have to bisect the line AB. Okay, properly, and that will cut AP and AQ line 4 to 6. Okay, then step number 5 is nothing but you have to bisect 4 to 6 in its middle point. Okay, and you will get the point number 5. Similarly, you have to get the point number 7 by taking the length 4 to 5 or 5 to 6. You have to place your compass at point number 6. Okay, this thing we know. Okay, then join A with point number 7, or you also may not join. You just place your compass at point number 7. Okay, and take the measurement 7 to A, and you may also have to draw only one circle itself. Okay, and with the help of, after the drawing of that circle, you just have to cut. You just have to take the measurement AB. Okay, and from point B you have to cut the circle itself. Okay, you will get one whole heptagon. Okay, regular heptagon. Okay, so this is the steps. Okay, so I believe that you people have understood. If any confusion, please ask me. Dimensioning. Yeah, dimension. Acha. Of course, we have to write the dimensions. Of course, we have to write the dimensions, because if we are not writing the dimensions, what will happen? It will become a artistic drawing. Okay. So here you may have to place. Here it is nothing but extension line. You can see you have to properly place the arrowhead. Okay, and you have to show here 50. Okay, only one place, not everywhere. Only in a one side. Only in a one single side you have to show the dimension that is 50 millimeter, not millimeter. You have to write. You don't require to write a millimeter, only 50. Okay. Now, what is the scale? That means we are not enlarging, we are not reducing the size of the material itself. Okay. Here, so here you have to write scale equal to scale we have taken as 1:1. That means the actual size of the object we have kept in our drawing sheet. Okay, actual size of the object we have kept in our drawing sheet. That means actual size of the object equal to drawing sheet length. That means drawing sheet object length. Okay, so that is why we have kept the scale equal to 1:1. Okay, and here the dimension we also have shown. Here it is 50. Okay, so this is the end of this drawing itself.
Okay, one thing I will add, Joydeep, with your permission.
Sure,
Now-
sure, sir.
What we have said is, what is the object? Maitreyi, you please unmute and tell what is the thing you are drawing.
Yes, sir.
What is the object you are drawing?
Heptagon. Heptagon.
Heptagon. That is the object. So after drawing the heptagon, the 7 sides will be thick continuous line. Object outline is thick continuous line. And to enable you to draw the heptagon, you have done lot of constructions.
Yes.
Yes or no? 45 degree, 60 degree, bisect line, drawing circles and all. Those are construction lines which enable you to make a particular, I should say, item which you want to make. Those constructions line will be thin continuous line. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Only
Yes, sir.
that this will stand out. These 7 sides, AB, BC, CD and all that, those will stand out as your thick continuous line.
Okay.
Clear to all of you, students?
Sir, what they will do today, this and show it to us. I think how much time is there? Only half an hour. Half an hour only.
Now change the question.
So they
Madam,
have to
change the
complete.
question. Here the question was, madam, please mute yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can do something.
Yes, sir.
By Kapili madam can do that 2 set square method.
Actually, after each and every class, we, sir, may go through, students may go through the problem. That means they have to draw the drawing by themselves.
Yes, yes,
This may, we may do.
yes.
Actually, it will helpful because at the end, whatever we may show them, they must have to do by themselves. It's not it, sir. That is why only half an hour left. So if students can show within this time, that means can draw this drawing by themselves. At the end, we may go through their drawing. We may see that their drawing is proper or not. Sir, you have understood what I was.
Yes, yes, yes.
Huh?
But Kapili madam takes 10 minutes for that 2 set square method. Then
Acha, Thakur madam, you will discuss 2 set square method or not? Depends upon you.
Huh? Kapili madam?
Acha. Actually, Kakuli ma'am, please unmute yourself and please share your view to Pura sir.
Actually, sir, I can show it means within 5 to 10 minutes. I will complete. But what they are doing now, just now they have learned a new topic. That first they have to by hand, they have to complete. Now, if I go on showing another thing, then it will be jumbled up. I think it will be.
Then make them do it
So
like
very first class in the next day class, this one and pentagon we can complete. But at the end of this time means what they have learned, they will be forget. They will forget. This method is not so easy for the learner. They have to practice it. They have to do it by themselves. So that's why I don't want to take the 2 6 in between. I don't want.
in their sketchbook, regular heptagon. Okay.
Yes.
Kapili madam, Joydeep, okay? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sorry. Students, please write the question again. You can listen to me, Mohit,
Yes,
or
sir.
so the question is, draw a regular octagon. Okay. Question is, draw a regular octagon of each side 50 millimeter each. Okay. With the help of uh, draw a regular octagon of each side 50 millimeter with general method. Okay, this is your question. Draw a regular octagon of each side 50 millimeter with uh, with the help of general method. Okay, this is your question. Okay, now you have this 3:30. You have 15 minutes. Okay, 15 or maximum 16 or 20 minutes, not more than that. Draw it by yourself. Octagon you have to draw side 50 millimeter, and general method you have to use. Okay, draw it, complete it. You have got the question. You have understood the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve it.
Sir, of how many sides we have to draw?
Octagon. Think. We will not tell. This is a octagon. So how
But
many
sir,
sides?
I have drawn with you in the following when you are explaining the heptagon.
Heptagon I have told you people. So with the help
But
of
I
this
have
thing,
drawn sir heptagon.
you have drawn heptagon, but the question has been changed. I have changed the question now. The question is, you have to. That is why I am telling you that right now the whatever I am question I am giving, this thing you have to draw. Okay. You may have drawn. That is very good. Okay. Other students also have drawn. That is also very good. But in the question, in the examination, question has come that draw a regular octagon of each side 50 millimeter with general method. This is your question. All right. Rohit, you have got my point? Hmm?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay, thank you. Kakule ma'am,